Hello traders, here is a bullish continuation chart pattern I thought I should talk about. It usually starts with an impulsive move to the upside. That means you have a bullish trend from this level here. You have a bullish trend, and then the market reaches a significant resistance level, and then it begins to pull back. But then on its pullback, it forms a bearish support and resistance level, giving us a bearish trend line, which it will now form our channel, which is our bearish channel. So the price will break this resistance, come back for a retest. Then when it reaches to let's say a monthly or weekly resistance level, it will drop down, giving us the first pullback, to then go back to a resistance again, which will give us the second touch of this resistance. We said we only need minimum of 2 touches at a resistance to draw a bearish trend line, and we have one here already, and this is 2. And then when we found this, we were able to draw our bearish resistance. When price touched this resistance, it drops down to this same support level that helped this point to go back up. That means we have the first touch and then the second touch, and then had to go back up to that same resistance level again. Now this is due to the market trying to decide on which direction it will head next. Since the trend has been bullish, so we are expecting the trend to continue going bullish. So as traders, when you see a chart pattern like this, you should know that it's a continuation pattern and it's just making a pullback. This is the third touch. Now what helps us to draw this kind of chart is our support and resistance level. If you notice, these dashed lines, they are all support and resistance level. When price reached to this bearish support level, it formed the head and shoulder chart pattern. Then it pushed to this resistance, met with a resistance here at this zone, then dropped to this bearish support, and then went back to that same resistance, and then dropped again to this bearish support level. And then we had a breakout of this bearish channel, and then the trend continued to the upside and broke the previous high that we had. Now this is called the bullish flag chart pattern. This is usually called the pole. The pole is mostly an impulsive push to the upside. If we also have a bearish flag, it will also be an impulsive drop. So this is how the bullish flag works. Notice how price pulls back at each support or resistance level. It respects each zone according to its significance. These minor zones that I drew with dash, they are support and resistance zones found on smaller time frames, and then this major resistance and this major support level, they are found on higher time frames, the 4-hour or the daily time frame. Like I earlier said, this is the bullish flag chart pattern. If you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more videos like this.